Time is the most precious currency. Spend it wisely, for every moment wasted is a moment lost forever. Time is a treasure, and it's essential to use it with care and intention. The clock is ticking. But it's not the passage of time that matters. It's how you fill those moments that defines your life. What you do with your time is far more important than just watching it pass by. Time is the great equalizer. It gives us all 24 hours each day. What you do with yours determines whether you live in mediocrity or greatness. Everyone has the same amount of time each day, but how you use it sets you apart. You cannot save time, but you can invest it. Spend it on things that grow, and you will reap a life of abundance. Time cannot be stored. But using it wisely on meaningful pursuits yields lasting rewards. Time is a relentless river. It never stops flowing. Learn to navigate its currents, or be swept away by the tide of inaction. Time moves continuously. And it's crucial to act purposefully rather than letting it carry you aimlessly. Every second is a seed. Plant it with purpose, and it will grow into a forest of opportunities. Each moment is an opportunity to create something meaningful that can lead to great success. Time is a mirror that reflects the value of your life. Use it wisely, and your reflection will be one of purpose and fulfillment. How you spend your time reflects the quality and meaning of your life. Wasting time is the only true loss. For once it's gone, no wealth, power, or influence can bring it back. Time is irreplaceable. Losing it is the greatest loss you can suffer. Time waits for no one, but those who master it become masters of their destiny. Seize each moment and shape your future. Time is unstoppable. But using it wisely puts you in control of your own life's direction. Time is the silent architect of your legacy. Each moment is a brick. Build something worthy of remembrance. Every second contributes to the legacy you leave behind. So make sure it's one worth remembering. The future is not something you enter. It's something you create with each passing second. Use your time to build the life you envision. Your future is shaped by how you use your time in the present, so make each moment count. Time is the fire in which we burn. It can either consume you or forge you into something greater. Use it to temper your spirit. Time can either weigh you down or strengthen you, depending on how you choose to use it. The beauty of time lies in its fleeting nature. It teaches us to cherish the now and create memories that will last a lifetime. Time's passing encourages us to value the present moment and create lasting memories. Time is the greatest storyteller. Write your narrative with care, for it will be retold long after you are gone. How you use your time will become the story of your life. So make it a story worth telling.